Everyone, tonight for supper I'll be making Mexican deviled eggs. So what all goes into the Mexican deviled eggs? You know, the trick eggs. 6 large eggs boiled and peeled, 3 tablespoons mayo, 1 teaspoon lime juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/2 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon pickled jalapeños, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon cilantro, chopped, more for garnish, salt and pepper to taste, optional toppings, diced tomatoes, queso fresco, or hot sauce. So let's begin. Take your eggs, slice them lengthwise, scoop out the yolk, put it in a bowl, put the whites on a platter, take your fork and just mash the yolks until it's pretty well smushed and no big large pieces. And take your 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and I just barely had enough mayonnaise. Your 1 teaspoon of lime juice, your 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, your 1 teaspoon of cumin, your 1/2 teaspoon of smoked paprika, your 1 tablespoon chopped pickled jalapeños, and your 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro, and salt and pepper to taste. And then mix that all up until thoroughly combined. I just love making deviled eggs for Dave to try. He still likes the mayonnaise and mustard, but he is finding out that there are other ones out there that he doesn't mind eating, usually any of them with bacon. I don't know, this might be too spicy for him. He is not a big spice person. All right, so take a spoonful of your yolk mixture and put it in your white, like so. He's gonna know these are not regular eggs considering the looks of them. So we'll see what he says about it. I'm sure he's gonna call them trick eggs. That's his coined term for it now. Nothing tricky about these. You can tell they're different. So he ain't gonna be sticking the whole thing in his mouth. Okay, last one. So take your queso fresco and crumble that cheese on there. And you don't have to use any of these, or you can use all of them or part of them. I think they all sound good, so I'm going to use all 3. Okay, so I'm going to then just add a drop. I was going to do sriracha, but I decided I'd just do Tabasco sauce because I know that comes with just a little dropper. So we're just going to. All right, and then a little bit of tomato. As you see, I'm missing the egg a lot and I'm getting it on the plate. I'm not a chef, so I don't have to clean my plate. I'll make sure his plate looks okay, hopefully. Gives it a little bit of color. Hopefully it'll give it flavor. And we'll put a cover on it, put it in the refrigerator and let it chill till Dave comes home, and then he can do a taste test of his trick eggs. So here are the Mexican deviled eggs. Rounding out the meal is easy bake burritos. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This smells kind of spicy and more trick eggs.
That is a trick egg. Those are Mexican deviled eggs.
Are they spicy?
Maybe. I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. Oh my goodness. He went for a whole big mouthful.
They're there's not a whole lot of kick right off. I feel it more now, but they're pretty good. Yep. I think I could eat those again.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.